Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to start your first English grammar chapter, that is noun. Okay, so let's get started. See, on my computer screen, I have written what is noun. What is noun? Basically, noun is a naming word, right? So it can name anything, a person, animal, place, thing, quality, state, idea, etc. So whatever I have mentioned here, it is called a noun. A simple definition means a person, a place or thing. Okay, so if you want some examples, I can give you. Think of those words what I am telling right now. Boy, girl, Avinab, Shabnam, army, rabbit, river, telephone, honesty, heat, childhood, laughter. These all words are considered to be nouns. Okay, so noun can be a person, it can be a place, sorry, and it can be a thing. In person, I have mentioned the persons like man, woman, teacher, John, Mary. Okay, in place, I have mentioned home, office, town, countryside, Britain, America, etc. Thing like table, car, banana, money, music, love, dog, monkey, etc. So these are nouns. Okay, so whatever I have mentioned over there on the above, they can be referred to by a pronoun as well. And note that names like John, America, they are called proper nouns. I hope you have understood. What is what is my intention of saying? It means, what I mean to say is that whatever I have mentioned over there, like person, place, thing, so in place of that, I can use some pronouns as well. Clear? So this is called our noun. Okay, so the idea is very clear now. Now, the students have some problems. They cannot understand that which words are particularly noun. So the problem is there. The problem with the simple definition that I have stated above is that it does not explain why some words are considered to be noun as well as verb. Okay, it means the definition is not confined or limited what I have mentioned here. You have to think very broadly to understand everything properly. Okay, like I have mentioned one word, love. So love can be a noun as well as it can be a verb. Okay, so on that basis I have mentioned, though these are very complicated, but it will surely help you to understand. Something is there so you can easily understand. First one, I have categorized this noun recognition in such a way. Okay, so first name I have given, that is noun ending. What is noun ending? There are certain words endings that show that a word is a noun. For example, ITY. If you see this word like nationality, MENT, you can use meant, appointment, nationality, appointment, any double S-ness. It would be suppose happiness. Okay, ATION, Asian. So you can write relation, HOOD, hood. So you can use childhood. Okay, so you can see ITY, meant, ness, Asian, hood. These are the certain words. These are the ending of a particular word, and this shows that those particular words are nouns. Okay, but this is not the true, that for all the word endings of all nouns. Example, suppose if I write the noun spoonful ends in FUL, full, but adjective careful also ends in full. But what is the basic difference? Okay, first one spoonful and second one careful. So careful is adjective, but spoonful can be a noun. So sometimes it is a bit problematic, but still you can understand it properly. Okay. Second thing what I have written, that is position in a sentence. Position. Position means we can often recognize a noun by its position. Okay. By its position in the proper sentence. See. By its position in the proper sentence. Suppose here is the example. These are the nouns. These nouns often come after a determiner. You know determiner? Determiner is a word that functions like adjectives to some extent. Okay. A, and, the, these, my, your, such. These are known as determiners. Suppose if I mention a relief. So I is the determiner and relief is a word that is coming after a determiner. So we can say relief is a noun. An afternoon. Okay. So an is a determiner, article, determiner, same. And afternoon, so this particular word will be a noun. In the same way, the doctor, this word, my house, such, stupidity, this all bold words are nouns. What is the basic reason behind it? The reason is that just before those particular words, we can see those determiners. Okay. Here I have written something more. Nouns often come after one or more adjectives also. What I have written? Nouns often come after one or more adjectives. Like a great relief, a peaceful afternoon, the tall Indian doctor, this difficult word, my brown and white house, next, such crash stupidity. Okay. See, relief, afternoon, doctor, word, house, stupidity, these words are nouns. What is the reason? The reason is that just before this particular words you can see some one or more adjectives like great, adjective, peaceful, adjective, tall Indian, adjectives, difficult, adjective, brown, adjective, white, adjective, crass, such. These are also, determiners, or some of them are adjectives as well. Yes or no? Well, so this is the whole scenario. Okay. So what is the first point we have understood? First one, I have said these are the certain words that end with ity, meant, ness, Asian, hood will be noun. Generally, some exceptions are there. Next is, these are the positions. If you see these determiners or adjectives just before a particular word, so it be a noun. Next, nouns often come after one or more adjectives as well. A great relief, a peaceful afternoon, tall Indian doctor, difficult word, etc. etc. Okay. Third point. Function in a sentence. Function in a sentence. Nouns have certain functions. Functions in the sense jobs. Okay. In a sentence. For example, first one I have written subject of a verb. Doctors work hard. So here, doctors, subject, work hard, predicative part. So you can see they have some functions. It means the nouns can perform like a subject of a particular sentence. It is used just before the verb. So it is the function of a noun. Second, it can be the object of a sentence. It can be the object of a verb as well. He likes coffee. What does he like? He likes coffee. So he is the subject, likes is the verb, and coffee is the said object of like, that particular verb. Next, subject and object of verb. Sometimes nouns can be subjects. In the same sentence, some nouns can be used as predicates also, as objects also. Teachers teach students. So here teachers, subject, and students, object. Okay. but the subject or object of a sentence is not always a noun. It could be a pronoun or a phrase. Okay, that is also a very important point that should be kept in your mind. What I have said, it does not mean that all the subjects are noun and all the objects are noun. No, not at all. Sometimes you can see in place of nouns we can use some pronouns as well. That can be happen. Okay, suppose in a sentence, my doctor works hard. So the noun is doctor, but the subject is here my doctor. Can you see? The doctor is noun, but you cannot say that my is also the noun. So here my is what? My is adjective here actually, that is called possessive adjective. Okay, so functional wise, okay, my doctor, this particular words function like what? Like the subject of that particular sentence. This is the end of our definition and some positions or functions of that particular noun, as well as we have discussed about the recognition of a noun properly. Okay, in the next video we will cover that all kinds of nouns. Okay, thank you so much.